If you've been wanting to buy a brand new home here in Elk Grove, California, but you want your money, your budget to get you an even larger home based on your family's needs, well, you're going to love today's video because I'm taking you across a brand new community just minutes away from Elk Grove called Meritage Homes, where they're building in Delta Shores area in Sacramento. Like I said, just minutes away from Elk Grove, still have access to all the amenities in Elk Grove, but you get a much larger home for the price that you'll pay compared to Elk Grove. Can't wait to show you these two beautiful model homes that they have and also talk about floor plans, availability, and also why this community needs to be on the top of your list if you're not necessarily tied to having an Elk Grove address. Let's get started with today's video. Let's first show you how far this community is actually located from Elk Grove. Right on the screen, I'm circling the boundary of Elk Grove and drawing a little arrow, which is just few miles up Highway 5, where this community is located. So again, very drivable, just minutes away from Elk Grove, California. The name of this community is called the Dockside at Delta Shores. This community is by Meritage Homes, which is a very reputable builder, building homes across multiple states. They have 5 different floor plans available. We're going to show you the 2 model homes that are available in this specific community, and we're going to highlight all the features, give you a tour, interior, exterior, and also talk about all the amenities, schools, everything else that you would want to know about. So let's start with our first home. This one being Residence 4 is the name of the floor plan. 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2,951 square feet home. Price is around $775,000. This home has a 3-car tandem garage. It has a flex space on the ground floor and a loft on the second floor. I do want to highlight that this community does have an HOA, about $110 a month. Coming into this floor plan, beautiful layout. Right upon entry, you have that flex space that I just talked about. And as you kind of go through the wide hallway here, you are welcomed into the big, spacious, open floor plan. This is something pretty much all new construction customers desire. They want open floor plan when it comes to the kitchen, dining area, and also family room. Meritage Homes being a very reputable builder, they put a lot of sort of amenities, or I should also call them features and upgrades, into the kitchen. So you have beautiful cabinetry, stainless steel appliances. You also have laminated flooring, beautiful, spacious, large windows throughout the family room and kitchen for that natural sunlight to flow in. Speaking of that, here's the sneak peek into the very decently sized backyard. And lot size depend on which lot you pick, are going to range around 6,000 to 7,000 square feet total. Again, here's another view of the beautiful kitchen. We're going to kind of walk through it one more time and also show you the family room that is located right in front of it. I'm hoping the video is doing complete justice to how spacious this floor plan is. I mean, you have a ton of space. You have space for a big and wide dining table right in the middle. You have plenty of space around the island kitchen. And of course, a lot of space when it comes to the family room here on the right side of the floor plan in your video. And again, these large spacious windows flowing in tons of natural sunlight is icing on cake around how beautiful this open floor plan looks on your screen. Talking a little bit more about the house, I mean, there's a lot of amenities in this house that I really like. One of them being having a full-sized bedroom and a full bathroom located on the ground floor. The bedroom that you're looking on your screen at the moment, of course, has a closet, and the window kind of looks towards the front of the house. Right outside of this bedroom, you have a full-sized bathroom right next to it. Again, great if you have family and friends visiting, perhaps parents who might be staying with you, or, again, family or friends who might be staying with you overnight, really convenient, and they have their own privacy. Coming to the flex space on the ground floor, again, this is currently situated kind of be a study room or maybe a home office, but opportunities are endless. You can make it a formal sort of guest room, playpen for your kids. I mean, options are endless. The two doors that you see, the one through the hallway was your entry into your 3-car tandem garage, and the other door was just additional storage. Coming to the second floor, I mean, all the amenities are also included on the second floor. You have a beautiful, spacious loft. A lot of clients kind of use that as a second family room, maybe entertainer's room. Some of them have converted into, again, playpen for their kids, maybe a home theater or a home office. I mean, opportunities are endless here. We're going to show you the master suite first before we show you the other two and the hallway bathroom that is located on the second floor. Let's walk into the primary suite here. And again, I'm hoping the camera does justice and that you see how spacious and wide this primary suite of this specific floor plan is. Of course, has an attached private bathroom, and we're going to show you the remaining 2 bedrooms, hallway bathroom, and the laundry area that is also located on the second floor. Location is really great for this community by Meritage Homes. It's located in the Delta Shores area. Delta Shores is a big shopping complex that we have just across the highway on the other side of Highway 5, where you have every single retailer that you need, from groceries to restaurants to home, I shouldn't say home theater, just theaters, and also a lot of other retailers that are available there that are just drivable within 5 minutes from this community. And again, it's just on the other side of the highway. So location is key for this specific community here. And you see this little entry kind of into the ceiling. This is just Meritage Homes' way of showing you that they do a great job to make their homes energy efficient, and that they put in extra effort to make sure that your utility bills are kept low month over month. Here's a preview into the remaining 2 bedrooms that are located upstairs. Again, we're going to show you the hallway bathroom and the laundry room. That kind of sums up the total of 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and 2,951 square feet of home. 3-car garage, and of course has a flex space on the ground floor, loft on the second. Compared to Elk Grove, a home like this, currently in Sacramento, Delta Shores area, it's listed at about $775,000, but homes closer to 3,000 square feet of these size are roughly around 850 plus in Elk Grove. So you definitely have the price advantage here in Sacramento, so that if Elk Grove address isn't necessarily a requirement for you, this could be a great option. And on top of that, price is negotiable, closing cost assistance is available, up to 50, maybe up to 100, depending on how we negotiate. Let's give you an important message before we show you the second home. Quick break from the video you're watching today, because this is something really important. One mistake I see new construction clients make is not having representation of a local realtor on your side when you're purchasing your brand new home with the local new construction builder here in Elk Grove. Our compensation is directly paid for by the builder because our compensation is part of their sales and marketing process. So if you do not have somebody like us who is a local expert in new construction, who can negotiate on your behalf to make sure you leave no money on the table, then do consider reaching out to us. We would love to accompany you on your visit and make sure you have representation before you sign on that dotted line with the new construction builder. Because again, we do not charge you. We get paid for by the builder, but you gain a lot of benefits from somebody who understands the local market extensively. And that is where we come in. My number is going to be in the description of the video. Now let's get back to the video you're watching. Here is our second home that we want to show you. This is called Residence 2, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2,488 square feet, single story home, price about $740,000, 2-car garage. You got a flex space in this one as well. And on top of it, you get 2 primary bedrooms in this house. HOA, again, about $110 a month. As soon as you come inside, you're welcomed by a spacious and lengthy hallway. You, of course, have the flex space like I just mentioned in this specific floor plan as well. We're going to show you the rest of the house as well, but just like the previous home, we're going to show you the kitchen and the open floor plan between family room, dining area, and of course the kitchen. We are showing you 2 model homes here. We show you residence 4 and we are currently showing you residence 2. In addition to that, this community has 3 other floor plans. So let me kind of quickly cover what those are. So residence 1 is about 2,400 square feet, single story home, which is 4 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. Price is around $695,000. Residence 3 is going to be 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, 2-story home, about 2,700 square feet, price around $730,000, and their biggest plan, which will be residence 5, 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, 2-story home, more than 3,100 square feet of living space. Price is around $785,000. You might have realized that there's not much of a price difference between residence 4 and residence 5, around 10K difference, but you get about 150 to 200 square foot more, but you also get an additional bedroom and a bathroom. So depending on what your family needs are, perhaps any of these floor plans can work out the requirements that you may potentially have of a home. Let's get back to the model home that you're looking on the screen. We're now showing you the primary bedroom of this house. Again, there's 2 of them in this house. This is the main, more spacious one. And then we're going to show you the other little bit smaller primary bedroom as well. Let's talk a little bit more about the location of this specific community by Meritage Homes. I mean, you really get more house for less here, like we talked about. You have Sacramento River right next to this community. We already talked about the Delta Shores shopping complex. Schools are about 5 to 10 minutes drive time, depending on which school you're going to, and they're going to be under Sacramento School District. And most importantly, easy access to Highway 5, which basically connects you to the rest of California. It takes you to downtown Sacramento. It can take you down into Tracy, Manteca, and even Central California, and further down towards Los Angeles. So really easy access to the highway. And if that's something that you're craving because potentially you might have your future job in downtown Sacramento, or you have to go to the office even in the Bay Area once or twice a week, this location is going to be very, very key. Coming back to the model home, here is the door that takes you to the 2-car garage. But before we get there, let's show you the second smaller primary bedroom that's located in this house, which is on your screen right now. That also has an attached bathroom, which is a full-sized bathroom as well. Talking a little bit about Meritage Homes, they build good quality homes. They're building homes across many states, and they potentially portray themselves as energy efficient homes, meaning your utility bills in general are going to be quite low compared to perhaps a non-energy efficient home in the area. Talking a little bit more about why I'm highlighting this community, again, Elk Grove is pretty pricey for folks who might potentially be local and wanting a bigger home. This is why I wanted to show this option of getting more house for less, especially compared to Elk Grove. And again, for some buyers, having an Elk Grove address is important because they have, schools and parks kind of to utilize. But again, hey, if you're not really sold on having an Elk Grove address, this community, I think, is really, really good to keep on your radar as well. Again, price is negotiable with the builder. Closing cost assistance is available. Special 30-year fixed rate as well. So make sure you work with the local expert who understands the new construction market. Let's wrap up with another message for this video. Like we talked about throughout the video, these homes are great. They offer you a lot more space and a lot more amenities within the home compared to the prices in Elk Grove, California. And you're much closer to Delta Shores, which has everything that you would ever need. Just a couple of minutes to maybe 5 minutes of drive time. You're right next to the highway, and we talked about all the other sort of amenities and benefits that you gain by calling this community home. Meritage Homes is a great builder, so if you want to procure a home with them, do speak with us. We work with all new construction builders, so we understand their pricing, incentives, negotiation tactics to make sure we negotiate on behalf of you to make sure you leave no money on the table. Our compensation is already part of their sales and marketing's budget, so the builder pays us and not you, which is an additional incentive for you to partner with a local realtor who understands the market, such as our team. My number is going to be in the description of the video. I look forward to speaking with you soon and also helping you make this greater Elk Grove new brand house community your future home.